Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80070437, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. The first solution is to reset Windows Update components, and we have a script for this. All you need to do is copy that script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Okay, and paste the script here. I'll tell you what this script does exactly. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the software distribution, cat root to folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services. So basically, it does everything in the line. There is no other troubleshooting related to Windows updates which this script will not do for you. And the next one is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.